Hi guys, welcome to topic 5.2, Plan Scope Management. Plan Scope Management is the process of creating a scope management plan that documents how the project scope will be defined, validated and controlled. The key benefits of this process is that it provides guidance and direction on how scope will be managed throughout the project. Plan Scope Management Process. The point of doing this is to give you a scope management plan at the end of it that sets out how you will define, manage, validate and control your project scope. The document doesn't have to be incredibly detailed or very formal. It simply has to fit for purpose. Let's look at some of the plan scope management stages. Collect requirement process. In this process, you will work out what your stakeholders want from the project. Once you have outlined your big idea, you need to document the requirements and manage your stakeholders' expectations. Define scope process. Here's where you take your requirements and turn them into a detailed description of the product or service that your project is going to create. You will end up with a project scope statement which you can refer to during the project. It will include a list of what's in scope and what's out of scope. Work breakdown structure process. The work breakdown structure process is a method that breaks a project into a hierarchy of deliverables, tasks and subtasks. It's a helpful tool that defines a detailed cost or time estimate and provides guidance for schedule, development and control. Validate scope process. Validate scope process is a process of formalizing acceptance of the completed project deliverables. Project teams perform the assigned activities to complete the project scope, and throughout the project, deliverables of the project scope are completed. Once the deliverables are completed, they must be reviewed by the customer to check whether they meet the agreed requirements in the beginning of the project. A deliverable is acceptable and marked as completed only if it is accepted by the customer after checks. Control scope process. The control scope process is the last one in the project scope management. It relates to making sure that there is effective change control if the scope needs to change. So guys, this brings you to the end of topic 5.2. Thank you.